Hello everyone, today I will show you how to do Boomerang on Instagram. And here's how it's done. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Swipe right from your feed to open the camera or tap the plus icon at the bottom and select Story. On the Story camera screen, look to the left side and tap the infinity loop icon. This activates Boomerang mode. Press and hold the white capture button in the center to start recording. Boomerangs are short loops, so capture a quick movement like a small gesture or camera shift. When you release the button, Instagram will automatically generate the looping boomerang video. Edit your boomerang. Tap the infinity loop icon at the top to open editing styles. Classic, standard loop. Slow-mo slows down the loop. Echo adds a motion blur effect. Duo, fast, glitchy, forward reverse loop. Select your desired effect and tap Done. You can now customize your boomerang by adding stickers, text, or music like any regular story. Sharing options? Tap Next. Then choose your story to share it publicly, or tap Send to and choose specific friends to share it privately. And that is everything you need to know about how to do Boomerang on Instagram.